आपको जब इतनी गालियाँ पड़ती है, इतने ठोकरे मिलते हैं कि बहुत सारे मेमोरीज आपके माइंड में सुन्न हो जाते हैं, दब जाते हैं एंड आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें ढंग से याद नहीं रहती, थोड़ी बिट्स एंड पीसेस में रहती है, बट आधे टाइम आप बस सुन रहते हो। ऐसी मेरी कुछ हालत है अब। और आज वेरी पब्लिकली मैं आपसे बात करना चाहती हूँ अबाउट how I dealt with my insecurities, how I accepted myself, and how I started loving myself. Because in my entire school life, I have just been so hard on myself. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sneha, and आज हम एक girl talk video करने वाले हैं जहाँ पर we both will talk about our insecurities. I know कि a lot of you guys have PCOS, मुझे खुद को भी है, and a lot of you all have come to my channel because of laser hair treatment videos or because of PCOS videos, and I just want to be there for you because I know how difficult it is when you have facial hair and you have a very unpleasing body structure according to society, and आप कैसे खुद को इतना दोष देने लगते हो in all of this. So I don't want you guys to go through the things that I did, and that's why I wanted to do this video and tell you all what did I do to kind of embrace myself and accept myself, right? So yeah, without further ado, make sure that you guys have hit that subscribe button and have subscribed to my channel, and I am very active on my Instagram, so make sure that you follow me on Sneha Arora 98 for my PCOS journey and just like random things that I post about my life, and beauty diaries of Sneha where I just share my love for beauty and skincare. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So yeah, in this video we're going to be having few chapters. First, obviously I want to tell you guys about my background and see if you can relate to me because I have had a rough patch and I just want to make sure that you know where I'm coming from. क्योंकि आप मुझे क्यों भरोसा करोगे, मतलब मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है, आप मेरे बारे में क्या जानते हो जिससे आपको लगेगा कि हाँ ये बंदी ने genuinely मेहनत करके खुद को एक्सेप्ट इस तरीके से किया है. So I want to give like a nice background so that you know about me and what I've been through, and उसके बाद I'm going to share with you guys some tips that have really helped me overcome all of this. So बचपन से ही guys मेरी appearance and body shape हमेशा SpongeBob Square Pants की तरह रही है. Literally I've had like chicken hands and chicken legs and एकदम ऐसे broad सा upper body and face भी थोड़ा heavy because I get it from my father's family. So मेरी structure जो है वो हमेशा से थोड़ी सी अलग रही है. It's been more of a triangle, rectangle of sorts. And अगर मैं gain कर लेती तो मेरा belly fat जो है ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही दिखता था and पूरा body structure एकदम पतला, तो एकदम disproportionate लगता था body. But when I was a kid, I was not at all insecure. मतलब मुझे फ़र्क ही नहीं गिरता था. मुझे literally ऐसा लगता था कि मैं ही कैटरीना कैफ हूँ, मैं ही ऐश्वर्या राय हूँ, मेरे से सुंदर तो कोई है ही नहीं. तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस लेके मैं बचपन में मस्त चलती थी and I was always radiating that energy. Then a major shift happened when I shifted my school from a convent to an international board. तो ऑब्वियसली मतलब आप एक कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में थे तो लोकल स्कूल है, यू नो हर चीज़ जो आप एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, जहाँ पर आप रहते हो, आपका एनवायरनमेंट सब एकदम सेम था. एंड नाउ सडनली आप एकदम हाई फाई स्कूल में जा रहे हो जहाँ पर लोग सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं. दे ओनली लिसन टू इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स, दे नो अबाउट ऑल दीज इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स जिसके बारे में तुमको कुछ पता नहीं है. एंड यू गो इन टू दैट स्कूल, राइट? एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिकॉज यूर अ न्यू पर्सन, तो एक्सेप्ट करना ओल्ड वालों को थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. यू हैव टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद देम. And trust me, I tried. Like I remember streaming on YouTube, trying to understand English songs, and trust me guys, I did so much to get that validation, you have no idea. So I literally remember, you know, going and asking my dance teacher for all the tunes that he uses for us to dance so that I can kind of get those music, learn the lyrics, and you know kind of vibe in case there is any kind of like a social setting जहाँ पर I need to be involved. नहीं तो मैं ऐसे ही बैठी रहती कि क्या क्या चल रहा है, क्या गाना गा रहे हैं, you know, stuff like that. Giving a certain way, my friends tell me कि मैं ऐसे थोड़ा एक्सेंट डाल के बात करती थी कि अब तो मैं इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में, तो मैं लिटरली अपना चौड़ यहाँ पर दिखाती थी. और स्कूल में तो भाई मतलब आई मेड माई ओन सेट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, वो सारे न्यू लोग ही थे. बट देन आई ऑलवेज समवेयर इट जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक द ओल्ड पीपल, लाइक जो पहले से स्कूल में थे वो तुम्हें एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे, चाहे तुम कितनी भी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें कर रहे हो, ठीक है. एंड ऐसे करते करते I mean, you know, I did have like my body parts were more developed than that of other females, and the guys over there, you know, now in retrospect I just feel like कि literally मतलब वो लड़कों को क्या बोलूँ मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा है मैं कैसे ये बोलूँ. It's like digging into the past and just like losing your mind because so much has happened and you remember everything in like just fragments. So let me recollect my ideas and tell you what it was. So yeah, going to that new school was a new world for me, and adjusting into that new world was extremely difficult. I did a lot in order to be accepted, and हुआ नहीं, right? I remember मेरे पास बाल थोड़े ज़्यादा थे दैन गर्ल्स जो नॉर्मल लड़कियों को होता है, तो लिटरली मुझे फेसबुक पे मैसेज किया था मेरे क्लासमेट ने कि यार तुम लड़की हो ना, तो तुम्हारे इतने ज़्यादा बाल कैसे हैं? एंड उस टाइम इसको क्या जवाब देती, बिकॉज हमारे लिए तो यही नोशन था कि लड़कियों को तो बाल नहीं होते हैं, और मेरे पास पहले से ही बाल थे. सो आई वॉज लाइक मैं इसको क्या बोलूँ, राइट? फिर मैं खुद को डिफेंड करती थी, मैं ऐसे चुपचाप नहीं रहती थी, बट द फैक्ट दैट लाइक ऐसे सवाल मुझसे पूछे जाते थे. फिर उसके बाद आई यूज टू डांस रियली वेल एंड आई वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. ठीक है, मतलब मैंने कभी भी कोई क्लासेस ऐसे कुछ ली नहीं थी, बट आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू ग्रूव एंड आई वाज वेरी एक्सप्रेसिव एंड मैं एकदम एनर्जी के साथ एकदम दिल खोल के डांस करती थी. एंड आई रिमेंबर मेरा एक सोलो परफॉर्मेंस था एंड आई वाज डांसिंग एंड वन ऑफ माई ओन क्लासमेट्स जस्ट स्टूड अप एंड ही इज लाइक ओ माई गॉड, बार डांसर. And he said something like that publicly in front of everyone, and I don't know how did he get the confidence to say that in front of the entire school, teachers, professors, but no one did anything. People started laughing, obviously his friends supporting him. Because of that, everyone else started laughing, and I remember I'm dancing on the stage and people are just laughing at me. And I still finished that performance, and that was the day when I just lost everything. I lost my confidence, I lost my hobby, I didn't dance for God knows how many years, and my entire confidence was shattered. उसके बाद से जो downfall था, I have cried every single day in school. There was this one guy who liked me. People used to make fun of that also, and they would drag him down as well. Then they would pretend to like me, like some of the guys, and they would Facebook me, and they would want to see my response, and obviously my response would be like कि what are you saying and ये वो, but फिर भी उसको लेके they would make fun of me. They would call me ogre, they would call me hairy, they would just look down upon me, and that stress, that just affected everything. And at home also, like it was just my mum who was really supportive. My brother was really young, and my dad was not really the most supportive. He didn't even know what was happening. Like heck, he had no idea about anything. He was just least bothered. He was not involved. But I was going through a lot of shit, you guys, and I can't believe I'm here, and I really did overcome all of that. Wow, I'm just like putting my entire soul so naked in front of you guys, and I just hope that none of y'all would have to go through this. I remember abhi ek aur ek post aaya tha about this girl Prachi who topped a UP board examinations. She went viral, and not because she scored the highest in the most difficult state board examinations, but just because she did not look good, just because she did not fit the standards, just because she had facial hair. People photoshopped her picture, you guys. Like, I understand the kind of society that we live in, and genuinely staying strong in such a situation requires a lot of courage, a lot of guts, and to everyone who's doing it, I freaking salute you, because I know that it's not easy. And especially when we have PCOS, as it is, we're going through so much on the inside, so many symptoms visible, manage करते करते दिमाग फट जाता है, और ऊपर से ये सब भी सुनना, things that we did not deserve, things that we did not ask for, is a lot. So yeah, I just went through a lot during that time, and I decided that in college I would not let anything like this define me, nothing of this sort. So school तो मैंने कैसे भी निकाला, मैंने literally अपने मेरे कुछ 7 लड़कियां दोस्त थी who were with me through thick and thin, and till date I'm in touch with 2 of them. बाकी सबसे थोड़ा वो हो गया, but irrespective, these girls, my blessings to them, they have literally helped me survive my entire school life. वो नहीं होते तो मैं पागल हो जाती, guys, I swear. I used to go to my homeroom teacher, I would go to my MD, and I would tell them that these guys are doing this, that, and they would just give a warning, but nothing would really make a difference, nothing would move a needle, because there was no strict consequences. They could not touch these guys. These people came from affluent families, so they would just be how they were, how they are, which is absolutely childish, immature, and I would just have to deal with it. So I was like, after all of this, I'm gonna get into college and I'm gonna make sure that I participate in everything, and I'm gonna make sure that, you know, I don't let anything like that pull me down. I will not change my mindset. No matter what come may, I will be strong. And that's exactly what I did. So that was the turning point. And here's what I did in order to really be what I am. So chapter 2 is all about things that I did, starting with the very, very basic but the most difficult skill to master, which is a mindset change, a mindset shift. Guys, remember कि we are not born with insecurities. We are just born plain. Our soul is just absolutely plain kind. Insecurities over a time develop होती है, and वो कौन करता है? People around us, the society. So why the hell are we being slaves to society? Why the hell do we need to listen to the things that they say? Literally, what contribution do they make into our lives? Nothing. Literally nothing. Those who love you will love you irrespective of how you look, what you look. So make sure that you have that mindset of loving yourself first, accepting yourself first, because once you accept yourself, everyone else will. मैंने स्कूल में खुद को एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया था. मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि मैं थोड़ी कम हूँ, मैं तो कॉन्वेंट स्कूल से आई हूँ, मुझे क्या पता इनके तरीके, और मैं हमेशा खुद को इन्फीरियर फील करती थी. जितना भी मैं कोशिश करूँ खुद को दिखाने की नहीं मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा ये वो, I would always feel inferior. Why? Because in my mind, subconsciously, really, I did not think that I was worthy. I thought that I was not good looking. And वो radiate होता था, वो energy radiate होता था, लोग उसको ही लेके मेरा मजाक उड़ाते थे और मैं hurt होती थी और इसकी वजह से मैं अपनी health खराब कर देती थी. Right? So it's very, very important that you first accept who you are, what you are. Just look at yourself and be like, wow, I love you. You look absolutely stunning. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ, ये तो अपना मंत्र ही बना लो, बाकी कोई करे ना करे, यू आर योर फेवरेट, ये माइंड में drill. So the different ways in which you can accept yourself is by doing some positive affirmations where you look at yourself and you compliment yourself at least once in the entire day. तो अपने आप you feel really good. दूसरी बात, just know that ये सारी चीज़ें natural है, you did not ask for it. So जो natural है, क्या कर सकते हैं उसका? You can't control all of that, right? So just accept it and be like, okay, किसी कारण से ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे में हैं, हाँ फेशियल हेयर है, हाँ बेली फैट है, ठीक है, मैं एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ. व्हाट कैन आई डू टू मेक श्योर दैट आई फील गुड? सो इन माई केस मैंने लेज़र करा लिया, तो उस वजह से मेरी हेयर की इशू थोड़ी कम हो गई, एंड आई स्टार्टेड टू वर्क आउट, विच इज़ वाई मेरा जो बॉडी है वो थोड़ा फिट हो गया. राइट? सो यू लुक एट सोल्यूशंस इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम कि मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों है, उसका इतना अच्छा है, मेरे साथ भगवान ऐसा क्यों करता है, भगवान इतना बायस है, इसको बनाने के लिए तो भगवान जी ने इतना टाइम लिया रहेगा, मेरे लिए तो पता नहीं क्या कर दिया, मुझे ये दे दिया वो दे दिया. बट ऑनेस्टली भगवान जी किसी में कोई गलती नहीं है. हर चीज़ जो हमें मिलता है वो हमारे कर्मों का फल होता है. गाइज, पॉइंट इज कि अभी है तो क्या कर सकते हैं. सो यू फर्स्ट एक्सेप्ट एंड देन यू सी कि मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ इसके लिए. ठीक है, उसके बाद आई फील लाइक हम खुद के ही सबसे बड़े दुश्मन होते हैं. मतलब हमसे ज़्यादा कोई हमको क्रिटिक नहीं करता. हम जो है दूसरों को छोड़ो खुद के ही दुश्मन बन जाते हैं कि मैं ऐसी हूँ, मैं वैसी हूँ, मैं ऐसी हूँ. ऐसे बोल बोल के खुद को नेगेटिव बोल के लिटरली हम अपना सेल्फ एस्टीम को क्रश करके गटर में फेंक देते हैं. क्यों कर रहे हैं हम ऐसा? वाई डू वी हेट आवरसेल्व्स सो मच? क्या मज़ा आ रहा है? एंड इसके अलावा क्या दूसरों के ओपिनियन मैटर करते हैं? माना कि थोड़ा लगता है, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट क्या उसके बोलने से तुम बैल बन जाओगे? क्या उसके बोलने से तुम मर्द बन जाओगे? Why the hell are you getting so bothered about what everyone else is saying? Why are you wasting your energy on those who don't matter? क्या रिश्ता है तुम्हारा उनसे? You don't even know them. एंड जिनको तुम जानते हो जो ऐसा कर रहा है भाई, उनके साथ तो कट ऑफ ही कर लो, या फिर उनको बोलोगे भाई कूल नहीं है. सो ईदर यू चेंज और आई एम लीविंग. So it's very important that you make sure you communicate how you're feeling. You just can't keep taking shit. What are you, a dustbin to keep taking shit? No, bros. Let's not do that. So first is a mindset shift. You need to be strong. You need to accept yourself. Second is loving yourself. Just remember, guys, that all of us are a work in progress. No one's a perfectionist. No one has reached perfectionism. And अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि someone has reached that, maybe दूसरे के लिए that person is normal only. Everyone has a different way of viewing others. Some people might think that you're absolutely gorgeous, while some people might throw shade. But does it matter? No, because it all depends on how you feel. So if you love yourself irrespective, everything else does not matter. If all of that is affecting you, then that means that you've given the power to other people of your happiness. And क्या दबा के वो चले जाए, उनको फर्क पड़ रहा, उनको कुछ नहीं, वो तो बोल के चले जा रहे हो, क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है. Apart from that guys, do you realize that your body is a beautiful vessel that lets you experience life? So let's be grateful about that and let's thank God for giving you two eyes, hands, a functional body to make sure that you can see the world the way it is, the way you want to see it also, and be really grateful about this. Number 3 is the so what attitude. So this has really helped me in all my phases of life, especially these ones where I was able to kind of overcome a lot of my own shortcomings, and it was the so what attitude. So what he thinks of me like that, so what she feels that I am not good enough, so what, मैं हूँ ऐश्वर्या राय, मैं हूँ कटरीना कैफ, बस. That's it. So always walk with confidence. You don't know who you will inspire. You don't know how many people are looking up to you and they want the same life as you. So you should always be absolutely grateful and have a really positive outlook towards life. And last but not least, this is my final and my most favorite tip that I can give you, which has really helped me in becoming more confident and in becoming more accepting, is lifestyle shifts. So earlier I would wake up in the morning, as always, sabki tarah phone liya, scroll kiya. I would look at all of these content pieces and just feel a little burdened and be like, oh my god, like why isn't my hair this perfect? Oh my god, I'm losing so much. Uske baal ho kitne lambe aur thick hai, you know, stuff like that. So I stopped all of this. I wake up in the morning, sabse pehle I have my warm water. I just sit and I just stare at the freaking window. I stare at the door and I'm just with myself, just there, just present. Then uske baad, make sure that you do physical exercise. As PCOS girls, we've got to do it no matter what. 30 minutes to minimum, but I give 1.5 to 2 hours at the gym. Today I've taken a holiday, which is why I'm shooting this video. But yeah, exercising extremely important. It releases happy hormones. You feel fit, you feel good, and as soon as you see your body getting into shape, you just feel like the most beautiful in the world. And उसके अलावा एकदम हल्का भी feel होता है guys. You want to wear new clothes, you want to experiment with a lot of things because you feel good, you look good according to you, and it's just the best. So if you can't do that, then yoga, walking absolutely helps. Get out of the house. हम घर पे बैठे बैठे एकदम suffocated हो जाते हैं. Every single time we're either in the office being suffocated, either in the home being suffocated. So go down, get some fresh air, look into nature, just be present, be active, and smile. Uske alawa, whenever you have food, so when you look at the food, charge it with positive affirmations. Be like, I'm abundant, I'm happy, I'm wealthy, I'm healthy. Jo bhi tumko karna hai, you know, I'm the most beautiful. Whatever that you want to really affirm, you look at your food and you give that energy to the food and then you eat it. क्योंकि कहते हैं ना, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. So अगर अन्न आपका अच्छा है, charged है, you're thanking God for your body, you are feeling like, you know, you are the best. तो automatically वो जब तुम्हारे अंदर जाएगा तो you will feel that way, and it's all a high energy game. So it really matters the way you eat food, consume food. So that is extremely crucial, which I've also learned from Brahma Kumaris. And just know that I'm here with you on your journey. मुझे पता है, I know how hard it is, but remember that you matter, your health matters, the way you feel matters, the way you look matters, the way you are matters, and if you don't accept yourself for who you are, then no one will. So it all starts with a mindset shift, and it all leads to a beautiful, healthier you. So this is how I have dealt with my insecurities, and a lot of it has been a work in progress. It is still a work in progress, and I hope that this helps you. So take it one step at a time, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then definitely give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know what other videos would you like to see. For now, this is my first girl talk. I hope you liked it. If you want any more, if you want to just chit chat with me, let me know what other topics that you want me to talk about. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.